Great moments are born from great opportunity. That's what you've earned here tonight. Tonight, we stay with them, and we shut them down because we can. You were meant to be here tonight. This is your time. Their time is done. This is your time.
Either we heal or we're gonna crumble. Inch by inch, we can fight our way back into the light. We can climb out of hell. 1 inch at a time. The margin for error is so small. In any fight, it's the guy who's willing to die who's gonna win that inch. I know if I'm gonna have any life anymore, it's because I'm still willing to fight and die for that inch. Gotta look at the guy next to you. Look into his eyes. You're gonna see a guy who will sacrifice himself because he knows when it comes down to it, you're gonna do the same for him. Either we heal now as a team, or we will die as individuals.
This is your time.